Hey, what's up, guys? It's Luke W coming back at you again today on a bit of a snowy, cold day out in the Pacific Northwest, the Seattle, Washington area to be more exact. And I wanted to bring you a little video about merch by Amazon. So it's going to be a tutorial style video where I'm going to go step by step and walk you through how to create a special design and then get it listed on your Merch by Amazon account. Now, if you don't have a Merch by Amazon account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up for. And I'll leave a link right up here somewhere for a video that you can watch that takes you step by step. It's pretty much me showing you exactly what to say and how to get approved for your Merch by Amazon account. But once you have it, you can just upload designs to different t-shirts and then Amazon will print them on the t-shirt and ship it out, and it literally costs $0 to have that account. All you get charged for is when you sell the shirt, they're going to take fees, but then they give you a little royalty on that. So it's a great way to make extra passive income. And in today's video, it's sponsored by Merch Informer. So I'm going to link their tool right down below, and they have a huge discount. I think their yearly subscription is $600, and just for this weekend only, their year-long membership is only $99, and I also have a 20% off discount that I think can be applied to that as well. So stay tuned. I'm going to talk more about that in the tutorial that we're going to hop into right now. All right, guys, so we're in my computer right now, and this is the email I just got today of their brand new release tool, which is a pattern generator that's going to allow us to create awesome designs that sell super quickly. So before I get in there, I just wanted to let you guys know again, they're running a flash sale. So their tool is normally $600 a year. It's priced at $99.90 right now. And if you use the Luke W discount for 20% off, it's $80 and you'll get a full year of the Merch Informer tool, which I'm going to show you how we can use it right after this little tutorial here. So this is kind of the tutorial. It was literally posted right here today, and it's showing you that these design patterns are just killing it, especially with PopSockets, and they're doing incredibly well with people generating a few hundred sales a month from just super simple designs that take minutes to make. So the first thing you need, like I said, is your Merch Informer account to actually get to this designer tool. So this is the Merch Informer platform. You can see there's so much different information that they have here, and searching for products, I've already opened up a page. So I just typed in a word like Valentine's, which is coming up soon next month, and I selected the PopSocket category so we can get a good idea of what's doing well. Of course, we can't do trademark things like Lilo and Stitch, but even with this simple flower pattern, they're generating 88 sales a month. So that's a nice little chunk of change for one PopSocket. And Merch by Amazon allows you to upload thousands of designs. I just set up my account, so I only have the ability to do 10 at a time. But once I get my first sale, it's going to allow me to upload 25 designs, and then 50 designs, then 100 designs, and on up into thousands and thousands of designs. So we're just going to kind of look at this tutorial. I'm going to walk through with you guys how to do it. So pretty much the first step is to actually come over here, and I'm going to select the Merch Designer tool. And then I'm going to press on the PopSocket. Now these pattern designs will work on t-shirts and hoodies and all that other stuff, but more specifically, they're particularly making a lot of sales on the PopSockets because people like to match their PopSocket with their phone case and all that stuff. So first thing I need to do is come over here to shapes and actually select just a black circle and fill it up to the border of this grid here that's going to outline the size of our PopSocket. So it's literally as simple as I could come in here and just do this like Canadian leaf, and I'm just going to go ahead and change that color to white. So people used to have to literally just copy and paste this if they wanted to do a whole pattern throughout the page here. But now with the pattern tool, I can come up here, click on this, and there's a few different types of patterns. You can go the grid repeat, but everyone's saying the vertical bricks repeat pattern looks awesome. So there it is. And you may notice that there's a bunch of leaves on the outside of this black circle area. Those are going to get cut off when you actually upload your design. And it's really that simple. Now, if I wanted to reset to the default design here, I can get a brand new blank page once again, and I'm going to come in and actually do one and upload it to my Merch by Amazon account and show you how it's done. So I'm going to go with that Canadian maple leaf style one more time, but I'm going to go with red, and then we're going to do the Canadian maple leaf kind of thing. We're going to switch that to white, and then I'm going to say vertical brick pattern, and boom, there it is. So that looks pretty cool to me already. And what I can do now is press download. So I just downloaded that. I'm going to go ahead and just throw that on my desktop. And then I'm going to come back into my Merch by Amazon account and press add a product. So this is super cool. Like I said, if you have a t-shirt design, you can just press upload artwork on any design you want. I'm going to quickly uncheck all of these because I just want to be doing pop sockets. And you can see the PopSocket grip is down here. I could sell it in the UK or German market. I'm just going to go with the US market because I don't have the ability to upload like 50 products at a time at this point. But now you can see all the other designs are unclickable except this one. So I can come in, click on that, boom, here's the design from my desktop. And there you go. There's the design. So it's that simple. So some quick tips I can give you about the product details section down here is you want to have whatever your design is be littered throughout this whole thing, because customers are going to be typing in keywords to find this product like Canadian maple leaf. And the only way they're going to find it is if you have all these keywords sprinkled throughout here. So I'm going to set that up real quick. So I just filled it out here, basically saying as many times as I could, the Canadian maple leaf, Canada maple leaf, just the perfect gift, red background with Canadian maple leaf. So just kind of highlighting what it is. So if a customer ever types any of these words in, I'm bound to show up. So I'm going to go press review right now. And I can just go ahead and say submit. And now it's creating my product, and it will take me back to my homepage here where it will say, this is now under review. Once it says live, like I just did this Valentine's Day one right beforehand, I'll be able to click into it and it will just show the circle there. It won't show this crazy background. So this is basically what Amazon will do. It will automatically put all the bullet points for you. It'll actually add some extra words on the title here. I just made my brand Valentine's and hearts, just so if customers ever type that in, it's more easily findable. And Amazon does all the product photos for me. I mean, they're not super awesome photos or whatever, like this doesn't even show it, but they're putting all the work into it. And when you want to design a ton of products at a time, you can see, and this thing's selling at $14.99. So Amazon's going to take a cut out of it, but you're able to definitely make some decent profit on it depending on how many you sell. So I can even come in here, Valentine's Day pop sockets, and I just, for the heck of it, want to just see what the market looks like. So look, no one even has reviews on their pop sockets. That's the thing about these. If you can get a handful of reviews on your designs, you're very likely to stand out in custom. And if you guys have time to stick around, I want to show you one more super quick thing. So in Merch Informer, they actually have this graphic pack that they update all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and press download all for December 2019. And now I have the file opened up here. I'm going to go back into where it says images, and I can literally come in here and say all, and then drop 102 images right here. So boom, there's all these new graphic images. I'm going to go ahead and make one super quick one more time for you guys. And this time I'm going to come over to images and add one quick design in here. So I'm going to go ahead and make this dinosaur a pattern style. And I'm going to keep it about that size and come in and say vertical bricks one more time. And there you have it. So now from here, again, I can say download, drop this on my desktop, come back into my Merch by Amazon account, press add a new product, select just the PopSocket for the US market, come down, upload the artwork, press the dinosaur design, and there's the design. I think it looks pretty cool for anyone interested in Jurassic Park or dinosaurs. Then fill in the product details quickly with as much info that I can relate to what this design is. Press review, press submit, and it just created my new PopSocket design here. And I can see it already says processing on the Canadian maple leaf. So in about 2 more minutes, it's going to say live, and that's going to be good to go. Same with my dinosaur design. That should take about 10 to 15 minutes, and it will be good. And I'm going to be making more videos about Merch Informer later, showing you how to create more t-shirt designs with their designer tool here at the top. And they have a full academy and course that goes into everything about how all this tool works. But I'm going to break it down in later videos for you guys, so don't worry about that. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you found value at any point in this video, please go ahead and drop a thumbs up and share it with anyone if they're interested in, creating t-shirt designs, or if they have a knack for just creating designs as a whole. This could be a great way to, have a t-shirt selling on Amazon, or a hoodie selling on Amazon, where people are going to be exposed to it. Millions and millions of customers use Amazon every single month. So having your cool designs on a t-shirt could really start bringing some extra revenue in for you. So thanks a lot, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I talk all about FBA, Amazon FBA, selling products. And I'm starting to talk a little bit more about merch by Amazon, selling clothing and t-shirts with your own designs on them. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.